After skating, we went to this cafe sa likod lang ng Burnham. It's few blocks away from Children's Park. If you haven't watched my video skating, you might want to check it out. So this is called the Common Ground Cafe. Affordable lang yung prices and they provide board games that you can play with your friends. The vibe of this cafe is very homey. I think house nga talaga siya that they turned into a cafe. This is their outdoor dining. Sobrang lawak niya and may touch pa ng nature. Very nice. This is how it looks like inside. Very nice yung wood. And this is where we decided to stay, somewhere na makikita pa rin namin yung outside world. Tapos naglaro lang kami ng Uno. Look at my cards, guys. Mukhang mananalo naman tayo, di ba?
Green. 4, 8, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 cards na gabi.
So, tuloy ang laban, 'di ba? Ayan, may 2 cards na lang ako hanggat sa isa. Tapos, naging 4 ulit. Tapos, na-combo pa nga. Ayan, so, syempre, laki-laki ng ulo na niya. Anyway, super homey ng vibes talaga nitong cafe na to. You guys should check it out. Tapos, may nakita kaming dog. And ang happy ko kasi nagpakita yung sun. Kasi lumabas kami ng around 2 p.m. Tapos, sobrang gloomy talaga ng weather. And I was like praying to God na, Lord, pagbigyan niyo naman ako. Kasi parang nakakasad yung vibe ng gloomy weather. But look at that. The sun decided to show up. Thank you, Lord, for answering even the smallest prayers that we have. This is a beautiful reminder to us that let your request be made known to God. Small prayers man yan or big, He got that. And that's it for the video. Bye!